All right, YouTube, so today we've actually got a break in the weather. It's kind of warmed up, sunny, the clouds left, the wind's not blowing me over, so I'm gonna get up on the roof and take down my Christmas lights. Here we go. We made a switch from last year's lights, which were all white classic C9 bulbs, to a more colorful C9 LED bulb, and it saved a little bit on our power. Okay, we made it on the roof. Look at that domination, as the lawn care nut would say. Dormant domination, that's what I call that. Look at this, weed-free St. Augustine. St. Augustine with lots of clover. Weed-free St. Augustine. St. Augustine with lots of clover. Domination. All right, so these are the lights we put up this year. They're an LED C9 style bulb. And we got these clips to put on the lights to hang them with. They worked really well. They had a little sale there, I think Black Friday sale type situation. I got them, I think, $10 at Target. But they were pretty good. They're worth it. A little trick I learned, zip tying these to the gutter to hide your extension cord along the gutter, because my outlet is way over there on the other side of the ladder. So I run that extension cord on the underside here and zip tie them to these gutter supports. Hiding your extension cord really just kind of gives it a nice touch and helps to keep everything hidden. Looks a little more professional. So I always try to hide the extension cord or get an extension cord that blends in with the theme of the house color. These are pretty easy to take off. Just about as easy as any other brand, I assume. It's kind of unfortunate. Some of these have already had a little fade in their color. This is the first season being up here. And I put them up after Thanksgiving, so they've only been up for a little over a month. You can already see a little bit of color fade. But they're about to get stored for a while. They'll be all right. Almost done on the last stretch of the line here. And then I'll be done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel.